What's up, guys, and good night. We're here in Phoenix, Arizona. We're here at Low Glow. Chris Borgs has a little car meet going on. And yeah, we're gonna walk around, see what we see. I haven't been to a night car meet in Arizona, I don't think ever. But anyways, let's walk around, see what we see. Got this crazy Mustang. Hoosiers all around. Crazy. Carbon fenders. That's wild. We got this Toyota. I think it's the Mark IIs. This thing's clean with the underglow and the ground lights. Simple. It's like some Fast and Furious vibes. A little 350Z. It's clean. Carbon fenders, carbon hoods, TEs. Pretty cool. By the way, this is at Low Glow. If you guys don't know, they have like the underglow and stuff. It's pretty cool. Some people have underglow. It's pretty cool. We got a GR86 with the 326 wing, looks like. Clean, I like it. We got the LS400, or is it a real Seltzer? I'm not sure. But with the tri-spoke, this thing's clean. And then right next to it we have another Mark II. Very nice. Which one do you take? I'm kind of digging the tri-spokes on. Got the Subaru with the Arizona livery. The vibes, though. I did miss night car meets, I'm not gonna lie. Another GR86. This is clean. I kind of like the body kit. Got more FRSs, VRZs. This yellow one is crazy. I wonder if it's static or what. What's going on there? It's clean. And this is the Low Glow, the actual shop. So let's see what's up. Crazy. That's just crazy. Then the Pandem wide body seat. Crazy clean. Pandem kit though is probably my favorite kit for the new Z. What do you guys think of that? Crazy. This is Chris Borg's new build. This thing's wild. Lineup of cars, insane. It's pretty packed though. Oh, it's a Mercedes, man. I didn't even notice it's a Mercedes. Bagged and everything. That's crazy. So let's do a little speed run. We got tan, the BRX. We got wide body BRZ. This thing's cool. We got another GR86. Oh, Miata. That thing's cool. The what are they called? Shoot, what are they called? I blanked out on those. But yeah, I like those. Over here, clean setup though. Look at that. Another GR on Conte tandem. It's clean. The blah by with the master turbo. That's crazy. Clean, I like it. Then we have another Rocket Bunny H6 over there. But crazy stuff here. Yeah. It's crazy. What's your favorite car here so far? It's kind of hard.
I don't know.
I think mine is this back Prius though.
The Prius?
That's sick. Good fuel economy on that.
That it would look good though.
This is the new one too. Oh look, this one is the one that was leaving. Or turned on. This thing wild. Got a G and a Z leaving. My family right here. But see how clean the underglow looks of Low Glow? It's clean. And then a Z. Clean. All right, we're back outside. See what we see leaving. We're just stopped by, but another Mark II's leaving. It's clean Genesis though. I don't know if we saw it earlier. Pretty cool.
So Public Enemy number 3.
But this thing, I like it a lot. Clean though, clean. I think that one, and then along with that, Jay-Z Subaru. Those are my favorites. But pretty cool little meet. What do you guys think? Alright, well we stopped, we looked. That's about the end of it. We're gonna head out. We were a little late to it, but it's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. For one of my only car meets in Arizona that I've experienced, not bad. It's pretty chill for the most part. Just when they leave, but it is what it is. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. There's a cop right there, so don't do nothing stupid.
He has a American flag on his car.
Cops here are just, they don't care. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. You should like, comment, subscribe, and make, I don't know, that's it. See you on the next one. G with the tandem. What?